Hi, here's another video for Tech Tip Tuesday. This is called Whiteboard.fi. And that's just the website, Whiteboard.fi. And this is just a place where you can have your students all go and they can all contribute to the same whiteboard. Kind of the same idea as if you were actually in class and you were all coming up to the whiteboard and writing on it. So what you're going to do is just for yourself as a teacher, you need to add a new class and your name. I can't remember if I had to sign in or not, but I always just sign in with Google. You have all these different options. If you want to have a waiting room, kind of like Zoom has, you can read through all the different things and then create your new class. Then you can just post this for your students to copy and paste, or like what I like to do is just put the link on Canvas, so all they have to do is click on it. Then they all can see this whiteboard, and they can watch as things are being written down. Now, I do believe that for this particular whiteboard, the students each have their own, but they cannot see each other's whiteboards. So it can't be like they're showing each other notes that you cannot see. That is what I believe. I certainly could be wrong, but pretty cool though, the idea of having a whiteboard that all the students can see all at the same time.